I got fingers for flavors of beats and rhymes. On the high seas, it's the pirate with the musket at your head, and I'll fire it. It's the return of the red beard, and Polly don't want a cracker. I'm gonna make it back up with the wind in the sail. Destination on to the temple, where the boom lies in the mental. Outlaws riding beside me. I see a ship on the horizon coming up, and I'm realizing it's time for another uprising. I'm manning this attack by surprise, and the
Classmates, fire up the cannon!
right on the enemy's vessel, it's landing. Look at all these ships sinking low and going down with the captain that's going under. Let no man put us under when me and my ships rolling like thunder.
Ghost Rider on the seven seas fire. Pump that cannon when the flames get higher. Ghost Rider on the seven seas fire. Pump that cannon when the flames get Ghost Rider on the seven seas fire. Pump that cannon when the flames get higher. Ghost Rider on the seven seas fire. Pump that cannon when the flames get
I'm still on the high seas, smelling that soul of the ocean breeze, feeling that heat of the sun on my face with the yo ho ho and a bottle of rum. When you see my flag in the distance, you better run and call for assistance,
cause we're coming under pillage.
killing all the men and taking all the gold and the riches in the village.
Pull up the anchor, swap with the bounty.
Heading for the east where my enemies hound me. They wanna hang me for high trees and the chivalry and for many other reasons. Wanted dead in a handsome award war to any fucker who delivers my head.
Shiver me timbers!
I'll burn your bloody ass to a cinder, so all your motherfuckers remember.
Ghost Rider on the seven seas fire. Pump